You are generating over 140 gigabytes of data every single day. From what you buy to what you watch, it's all being tracked. And in 2025, companies are paying big for those who can decode it. Data analysts rank among the highest paid tech roles this year, earning over $90,000 a year on average. Because today, every major decision in business, finance, or tech starts with data.
Becoming a data analyst requires a specific set of skills. Let's explore the essential skills that you will need to land a job in this field. Hey everyone, this is Aman and I'm an IT Delhi alumni and I'm here to help you secure your job as a data analyst. Foundational skills: mathematics and statistics. A strong grasp of mathematics and statistics is crucial. You will need to understand concepts like mean, median, standard deviation, probability, hypothesis testing, and others. Dedicate about 1 or 2 months to mastering these principles as they are the bedrock of data analysis. Excel. Excel is a fundamental tool that many companies still use. Learn how to use its functions, pivot tables, charts, and other formulas as well. Spend about 2 to 3 weeks mastering these skills to build a solid foundation. SQL. SQL is a simple but powerful language used to manage and query databases. It is an essential skill for any data analyst. Learning how to write queries to access, organize, and analyze data should take you about 1 to 2 months. Programming languages. Python is the most versatile and most widely used language in data analysis. Focus on the basics and key libraries like Pandas and NumPy. These libraries are critical for data manipulation and analysis. R is another popular language for data analysis. While you don't need to learn both at the start, focusing on Python first is a great strategy. Plan to spend about 1 or 2 months on Python. Git. Git is a version control system that helps you to track changes to your code and collaborate with others. You don't need to learn every feature. Focus on 20% of the features that you will use 80% of the time. 1 to 2 weeks of practice is enough to get you up and running. Core data analysis skills: data collection and preparation. This involves gathering data from various sources and cleaning it. You will use Python libraries like Pandas to manipulate and prepare data for analysis. Spend about 1 or 2 months on this as clean data is essential for accurate analysis. Data visualization. Once data is clean, you need to visualize it to find patterns and communicate your findings. Learn Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. You should also get familiar with business intelligence tools like Tableau or Power BI to create interactive dashboards. Spend about 1 to 2 months on data visualization. Power BI is especially popular because it integrates well with other Microsoft products. Advanced skills, optional but recommended. Machine learning. While not always required for an entry-level role, a basic understanding of machine learning can be a significant advantage. Machine learning involves training computers to make predictions from data. If you're interested, spend a month or 2 learning the basics and Python libraries like TensorFlow and scikit-learn. Big data. For handling massive datasets, you need to know about big data tools. Learn to use platforms like Hadoop and Spark to process large volumes of data efficiently. A month or 2 of study can be beneficial for roles that involve large-scale data. If you dedicate 3 to 5 hours a day to this roadmap, you can acquire the necessary skills for an entry-level data analyst position in about 8 to 16 months. I hope that this video was useful, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave the feedback in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.